I make video games, board games, I write, I build little tech projects. And I would do a lot of it on my big, giant workbench.
If I had one!
Until that gets built, what can I fill this time slot with? Will it vacuum? No, that's not it. Will it pressure wash? No, that's been done to death. Bench grind? Print? Does that make... No, it doesn't make sense. Drill press? Duty. I did not come up with any music to fill this slot. Duty. I just got this a little while ago. The only project I've used it on was a bit holder for itself. We'll see how it goes. Now, what to drill? What do we got here? Taxes? No, not again. How about a biblioclasm? No, I did that last week. Glass beads, family photos. Oh! What's this mysterious box with paper on top so you don't see how I forgot to film this part before filling said box with holes? I wonder what would happen to this on a drill press. So we're going to start with the 3/16 bit, which is the smallest one I have. Let's see how it goes. It went through, but the plastic cracked, and now for something a little beefier. Wow, that's off center. Look at that. Free packing material. And we have a much nicer hole. Up next we have a Forstner bit, but first... Shimmy. Come on, shimmy. Shimmy. That right there is the beauty standard of holes. Up next, a 1-inch Forstner. And we're going to go slow this time. That was the mating call of one who has just smelt burning plastic. Proper ventilation, kids. It has a few cracks around it, but that's another pretty hole. Next, we have a surprise smaller bit. Totally not because I don't have any bigger bits than 1 inch. Yeah, once I saw a depression on it, I'm just going to leave it and let it sit. Followed by something special. This little hole is about to get tapped. Tapping is the process of using a threaded bit to carve threads into an already existing hole. Once it's done, I should be able to get a 3mm machine bolt to stick into it. And look at that, the bit goes in perfectly. Perfectly. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm hopefully going to have more content once the workbench is built and of higher quality than this. And if you want this box full of holes, let me know. I will give it to you. I don't want it.